working on pumpkins. This is a finished one. There will be 5 different faces. You want to make sure you get one of each. And we'll have a deal on the 5. We also today have everything lined out, ready to build them. And we even have our logo engraved on the back. Using Tight Bond 3 glue, so they can't come apart. You can put them outside and they withstand the weather. Each face is cut out, ready, burned. When this one's stained, it'll look like this one. We got our brad nailer ready. Got our drill ready. Got our strings cut. Even got our eyes. Got extra string if we need it. So, catch up with us tomorrow, as hopefully we have these all together and we can have 5 of the different ones lined out so you can see what they all look like. Till tomorrow. Bye. God bless you all.